expanding is a thing?
Because that's what they are doing.
It's what they're doing, that's true. So, but isn't that an action?
Yeah.
Expanding is an action.
Yeah.
Now, if I were to say expansion, what about that? The act of expansion. Is that still an action? It is, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So an action ends up being a verb. So we don't want to use that as a noun. We want to stick to things that are person, places, or things. Almost like something you can touch. So expand, you can't touch expanding, can you?
No.
I'm trying to think of it in that term. So we're going to stay away from that word for right now. We're not going to let that one be a noun. We're going to leave that one off the table. But that was a good guess. I appreciate it. Okay, keep at it. How about to?
No.
Include?
No.
No. Helicopters?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. And?
No.
A?
No.
No. Steam?
No.
Is steam a noun?
Yeah.
It is a thing, isn't it? But in this case, remember, look at the one before it. We just did. We said science museum. And we use the word science to describe museums, so that means it's not a noun in the sentence, it's actually an adjective. So we're going to look at that one more time. It says helicopters and a steam engine, right? What type of engine is it? Steam engine. So in this case, steam is not being used as a noun. Engine is a noun, right? Okay, good. Number 7, I need a reader, please. You let somebody know if you don't mind. Thank you. You just did, but we'll have you do it again, okay? Thank you. Go ahead.
Some years ago, Dean decided to encourage children to enter science careers.
Okay. Some.
No.
Years.
No.
Ooh, this one's tricky. Some years ago. What question does that answer? What question do the words "some years ago" answer?
Time.
Time, which is a what question?
A thing.
W, what is it? A what? It starts with a W? Is it a who, a what? When question. So we're looking for a who or a what question. So in this case, we've got a when. That's not a noun.
No.
Okay?
Verb.
We'll worry about what it is later. We're just going to stick to what it's not right now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's what I don't want to have happen. That's what I think we got caught up in the first couple weeks, is that we went off on tangents. I want to stay focused on what we're doing in class right now and just stick to the nouns, okay? So, in some years ago, Dean?
Yes.
Yes. That's definitely a what kind of noun?
Proper noun.
Proper noun, good. How about decided?
No.
No.
To?
No. No.
Encourage?
No.
Nope. Children?
Yes.
Yes.
Enter? Oh, I skipped a word. To?
No.
Enter?
No.
No. Science?
No.
No.
Good. Careers?
Yes.
Yes. Well done. Nice. See, you're picking up on it. That's good. That's great, you guys. Very impressed. How about number 8? I'll take a new reader, please. Go ahead. Thank you.
In the 1990s, he created an organization to spark kids' interest in science.
Good. In
No.
No.
the
No.
1990s.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Noun?
Oh, that one's tricky. It answers a question
It's
when.
a year.
I know, it is, right? It is, I know. But here's the thing. Think about it. The 1990s, it's a thing. It's a specific thing. It relates to a year. It would replace the word in a year in the 1990s. Do you see how that can be used as a noun in this instance?
Yeah.
So now let's refer to the word 1990s. Okay? Oh my gosh, how can that be a word if it's numbers? Now think back to what we studied a minute ago. New Hampshire. That's a state, isn't it? Isn't that a place?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, hold on. So if I'm replacing a word with another word,
Proper.
and it's proper, isn't it? All of a sudden, but it's numbers. How can that be? How do I change the numbers to words?
It's a specific year.
Right, it's a specific year, so you could write out 1990s,
Right.
correct?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so it becomes a noun.
Sorry, I didn't read.
You're okay, Ginger. It's all right. We're working on it. He? He.
Oh, interesting, okay. So
Yeah,
circle
so
the-
in this case, and we're,
So circle the whole thing?
yeah,
Just the
nope,
number,
just
or-
1990s. There we go.
So if there was a sentence that just had in 90, like 90s, same thing, circle
In the 90s,
in the 90s.
90s would be. Yeah.
Mhm.
And I'll
It's
show you,
referring
I'm
to
just,
an era.
I'm gonna, exactly, because it refers to an era of time. Yes, a time period. And I want to show you something else that will indicate nouns too. It'll help you as well. So we'll do that in just a minute, and then we'll take our break, okay? He, how about he? Nope.
No.
Created. Nope. An organization. The word what? Organization, yes.
He was not a noun?
Nope, he is a replacement noun. It is a,
So do you
Pronoun.
circle an organization or just organization?
just the word organization.
That's what I screwed up, sorry.
So is it or not?
Sorry, guys.
It's
What?
not. Organization.
He is a pronoun, not a noun. He is a pronoun. Now go back to our definitions. Okay, Maria. Here, look at. So here's our definitions, right? A pronoun replaces a noun. So if it's replacing it, then it's not a noun, is it? No. You see what I'm saying? So he replaces a word in this particular sentence. What is the word in this that it's replacing? Is the word that it's replacing in the sentence?
He.
No, he is the word replacing another word. Dean. But Dean's not in the sentence, is it? No, that's good though. You're right. It's from another sentence. So we're connecting our sentences because the whole thing is a paragraph of ideas. I just broke it down by
Yeah, you did.
sentences.
Yes.
Okay, almost there. In the 1990s, he
No.
created, nope, and, nope, organization,
Yes.
yes, two,
No.
spark,
No.
can a spark be a noun?
Yes.
Good, so now we see that words can have different meanings.
Yep.
For this particular sentence though,
No.
is it a noun?
No.
No. Kids?
Yes.
Yes.
Ah, a child or a kid is a noun, but in this case, remember, go back to science museums, kids' interest. Ah, to spark a kid's interest. So the word kid is in fact a noun, but it's being used as a descriptive term, which is, what's the word it's describing? Interest. Good, so there's our noun.
Interest is a noun,
Interest is the noun?
Yeah.
not kids' interest.
No, just interest is the noun, for right now. The word kids, you guys are right. See, I don't want to confuse you, so what I'm basically telling you is this, okay? Words can be used as different parts of speech. That doesn't mean that the word kid is not a noun. What it means is that in this sentence, it's being used as a different part of speech. It is a noun being used as a different part of speech. So I don't want to confuse you. I just want to focus on the things that are person, places, or things in this particular exercise. We're going to do this again, and we're going to look for all the nouns, even the ones that are being used for something else. Okay? So you're right. You want to say kids, yes, but what I don't want you to get hung up on is if I ever were to ask you to diagram a sentence or to try to figure out what each part of speech in the sentence is, which you will have to do in this class. Okay, I don't want you to say that that's a noun. What I would want you to say is that's a noun being used as an adjective. And we'll figure that out a little bit more in depth later on, okay? For now, we're going to just stick with the nouns that are person, places, or things specifically. What about in?
No.
How about science?
Yes.
Yes, good. Okay. Number 9, I need a reader, please. Thank you.
In the recent speech, Dean said teenagers think they will become NBA stars and make millions, but their odds of doing this are less than 1%.
Okay. In? No. A?
No.
Recent?
No.
Speech?
Yes.
Yes. Dean?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Said?
No.
No. Teenagers?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Think?
No.
No.
No. They?
No.
No.
No. What's they?
Plural.
Pronoun. 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 There we go. They will
No.
become
No.
NBA.
Yes.
Now, NBA is a proper noun, is it not?
Yes.
It means National Basketball Association, doesn't it? It's also called an acronym. I'm going to throw some words at you, too many probably. Acronym, okay, that's where they put a letter, a dot, a letter, a dot, a letter, a dot. It's a period. So that means it stands for something else, so NBA, National Basketball Association, right? Okay. Now, in this case, it is a noun, but guess what? It's a proper noun that's being used to describe something else, isn't it?
Stars.
Stars. So what are we going to circle for now?
Stars.
Stars. Good job. Whew, I know, huh?
I mean, I had such high regards for this young lady right here. Now she's.
And, we're going to keep going. And.
No.
And.
No.
How about, am I going to have to separate you guys? Make.
No.
Millions.
Yes.
Yes, because why? Why? What is it? It's a thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
The thing I don't have. Millions, right? So we're talking about dollars, aren't we?
Yeah.
So it's referencing something specific?
A thing.
Yeah. But,
No.
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 there,
No.
No.
odds.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, in this case, odds. Oh man, how can that be a thing? Well, someone's odds?
Chances.
Chances. Nice job. Nice. So that's like a synonym, right? It's another word for it. Good. The similar word, same, synonym. So we're going to do that later on too. Okay? Chances, odds. Of
No.
doing.
No.
No. This. This.
No.
No, I saw a couple of head shakes. Yes. What is this?
Thing.
A thing? It is a pronoun. Are.
No.
Less.
No.
No. Than.
No.
One. This one's tricky.
Yes.
1%. Again, what is that word? It is a noun being used as an adjective. So we're going to say, what's the word we're going to circle?
Percent.
Percent. There we go. Nice job, you guys. You guys are on it. And how about number 10? Last, going least. Here we go. Help me out. Somebody new reader, please. Leo, please. Thank you.
Many scientists and inventors have made big money.
Indeed they have. Many.
No.
No.
No. Scientists.
Yes.
Yes. Inventors.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, I skipped and. I'm sorry, but you guys knew that already. You're so fast ahead of the game. I was skipping for you. Have.
No.
No.
Made.
No.
Big.
No.
Money.
Yes.
Nice job. Look at it. Look at you guys. Give yourselves a round of applause. That was awesome. That was way better. Way better. Way better.
Way
Are
better.
you gonna give
than
us
the
a result,
Way
so we can see how we did?
What's that?
Are you gonna give us a result so we can see how
I'm
we did?
gonna look. Would you like to see the old ones?
No, I do not.
No. I tell you what. I'm gonna look at these
Yes.
ones, and then I'll give it back to you.
I
Okay?
don't wanna see mine.
I don't think I brought them with me. I think I left them in the car. I'm sorry.
Just throw mine.
Okay. So we need. You guys have definitely earned yourself 10 minutes. Take a break. Thank you guys very much. Is that a little better? A little slower? A little more understanding there? A little clarity?
Yes.
Very good.
Sandra says yes.
Sandra says yes.
I know I
Nice. Good.
bombed the first time. I just have a question about the journal.